inhale, we'll all blink the eyes open as we reach the hands all the way out and up overhead. We exhale, twisting over towards the right. Bring your left hand towards your right knee. We're looking over the right shoulder. Take a full round of breath in your twist. And then as you next exhale, release back through center. We inhale to reach the hands all the way up. Exhale, we're twisting across towards the left. You next exhale, releasing, coming back through center. Inhale to reach the hands up. As we exhale, hands come down to the mat in front of us. We're rocking forwards. We're coming straight to our cat-cow. So we're finding our all fours first. Hands are underneath shoulders. Knees are underneath our hips. Toes can be tucked or untucked. And then as we next inhale, we're lifting the chest. Squeezing the shoulder blades. As you exhale, pressing into your hands, curl your spine, drop your head, bring your chin